The TradeStation mobile app is designed for traders who want to manage their portfolios and execute trades on the go. Here's how to use it. Download and log in. Download the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download the TradeStation mobile app. Log in. Enter your TradeStation credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, sign up through the TradeStation website first. Explore the dashboard. Home screen. The dashboard provides an overview of your portfolio, account balance, and market news. Navigation menu. Use the menu to explore different sections like quotes, watch lists, orders, positions, and charts. Search and analyze. Search for assets. Use the search bar to find stocks, options, futures, or cryptocurrencies by symbol or company name. Charts and analysis. Tap on an asset to view detailed charts with customizable timeframes and technical indicators for analysis. Place trades. Buy or sell. Once you select an asset, tap Trade to place an order. Choose order type, quantity, and price, then review and submit. Track orders. Check the orders tab to view open, failed, or cancelled trades. Monitor portfolio. Real-time updates. Track your positions, performance, and portfolio value in real time through the app.